Hello, you. Good morning. It's 5:30. It's opening day of Brayden's deer hunt. How we doing, gentlemen?
We're going good.
Never been better. Hey, Brayden, let's see that dirty stash. It's a mustache hunt.
So, are your farmers' fields right here?
This is where the real men are. We're real men. We've got a bunch of deer located.
Is it 6 or 7?
Yeah, we're probably 600-700 yards from the first field. So we've got about 15 deer spotted in the first field. Still a little dark to be able to tell how big they are and if there's any bucks in there. So we're hopeful, but we're gonna start making a plan here and see what we can do to get down there. There's a bunch. Guys, there's deer everywhere. Holy crap! Yeah, this one's bedded down. I think I see a rack on him.
Yeah, looks like a buck on that one.
I think we got to get the trucks and go down.
We've got deer in the second field. We've got deer in the second field. 4 of them. Kind of looking at you guys. Buck is to the left of those 4 does out there in the field. Look at that. Just take your time, dude. Take your time. You got him. You got him, dude.
That one on the far left.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that's the one. It's literally the... Uh-oh, it's on the move. Shh. Oh. Oh, wait, he got it. I think. He's in reverse. He's backing up.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I got it filmed. No, Dad, it's backing up. Okay, I see the one he got. I'm looking right at it.
Oh, is it down? It's down. Nope.
No, it's not. It's just... It's struggling, though. Come on. Come on, go down, dude. Get ready to put another one in him.
It's not moving.
They got it. It's...
Sweet.
It's not down though. It's not down, but it's still not moving. I mean, it's not covering
That's
the ground.
fine. That's fine.
Miss. Or rack another one in.
Dude, he's really... Are you filming it in?
No,
I am.
It's down.
It's
We
down.
got one.
We got him.
It's
He's down.
Yes.
that was too quick.
Well done. You know what? That's exactly
That was so
how
quick.
a hunt goes when it goes according to script.
Yeah.
That was so easy.
Wow. Good for Brayden. Good for him.